Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you a really easy way to add the prices for 10 different cryptocurrencies to your watch. So this will be updated every time you access this widget. It also will display the value of each currency in dollars and then also in euros. So really cool there, and it makes it way more useful. So as you can see, I press the start and stop button and it cycles through all 10 of the currencies, and then it will start showing the euro as well. So to get this widget installed, the first thing we need to do is open up the Garmin Connect IQ app on our phone. So if you don't already have the Garmin Connect IQ app installed, there's a really easy way to get it installed. What you need to do is open the Garmin Connect app, which is the app you use on your phone to sync with your watch. Once you're in the app, select the three lines in the top left. Then scroll down until you see Connect IQ Store. Select that. Now, if you already have the app installed, it'll simply open it from there. But if you don't already have it installed, it'll open up your respective app store so that you can go ahead and download and install the app. Now, the easiest way I have found to find this widget in the Garmin Connect IQ Store is to simply search Bitcoin. Once the results come up, you'll see Cryptocurrency Live Update. Select that. When we go in here, you have the option to see some pictures, images of what it will look like. We can also see several reviews from other users. One thing I do want to show you is the list of compatible devices. So I'll just scroll through here and you can see if your watch is available. It does include a lot of the older watches such as the Fenix 3 and the Forerunner 230 or 235. So once you're ready to download it and install this widget, all you need to do is select download. It does require access to the internet, but that makes sense for this app, so I'm going to allow it and say OK. Now, as you can see right there, after I selected download, it says queued. Now we can check the status of that by going back to the main screen in the Garmin Connect IQ Store, selecting the emblem at the top that looks like a watch. And this will open up Manage Device. So in here we can see everything that's installed. We can also see if anything is queued. So to see if the widget has been installed, simply go into My Widgets, and it'll show you the installed widgets that you have on your watch right now. Now, if you want to uninstall it, you would do that from here. Simply select into the widget and then select uninstall. If this widget also had settings to it, this is where you would change that as well. So now once the widget has been installed on our watch, we go back to our watch. You should be able to just select up or swipe up to see the widget. It might take a second for it to load. It is using the internet and does require that you're connected to your phone and that your phone has access to the internet to load. And then once it loads, you should be able to see the value of the 10 cryptocurrencies. One thing I do like about it is at the bottom, it shows what time that data was retrieved. So if that is a little bit stale, to update the values here, all you need to do is go back to the watch face and then open up the widget again, and it'll retrieve new data. Now, if you're not seeing it in your widgets, you need to go into the menu. On this Forerunner 645, to get into the menu, I need to hold the up button. Then I would simply scroll down until I see settings, and then in settings I select widgets, and then here at the bottom I would have to go to add widgets and then find it in that list and add it to my active widgets. So depending on what watch you have, the steps right there will be different, but you might have to activate it on the watch. So that's how you can view the current value of several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, on your Garmin watch. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.